You ever wonder what happens to your financial data when you connect your accounts to a budgeting app like Rocket Money? It's a valid question, and one that gets to the core of trust in the digital age. We're all looking for tools to help us manage our money, but we also want to be sure our sensitive information is safe. So, let's talk about the data privacy practices of Rocket Money. First, the big one: does Rocket Money store your bank login information? The answer is no. They don't. This is because Rocket Money uses a third-party service called Plaid, a widely trusted financial technology company. When you link your accounts, you're not giving your credentials to Rocket Money. Instead, your login information is securely passed through Plaid directly to your bank. Plaid then provides an encrypted, read-only token back to Rocket Money. This token allows the app to see your transaction data without ever having access to your actual username and password. Think of it like a secure, one-way key that only lets them look, not touch. What about the data that is shared? Rocket Money uses your transaction information to provide all the features you'd expect, like finding and canceling subscriptions, tracking your spending, and building a budget. They use bank-level, 256-bit encryption to protect your data both in transit and in storage, which is the same level of security used by major financial institutions. They also host their servers on Amazon Web Services, a secure service used by government agencies and businesses with high security needs. Now, a common question is, do they sell my data? Rocket Money has a clear policy against selling your personal information to third parties. While they might share anonymized and aggregated data for things like business analysis, it's done in a way that can't be traced back to you as an individual. They also have a detailed privacy policy that outlines how they handle your information and your rights as a user. You can even submit requests to access or delete your data directly. In summary, Rocket Money has invested heavily in security measures to protect your information. By partnering with a company like Plaid, they've created a system where they never even see your most sensitive login details. They use robust encryption, and they have a policy against selling your personal data. Of course, no system is foolproof, and it's always a good idea to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, but Rocket Money has built a solid foundation of security and privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.